Hello everyone, hello Aries, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, business and money reading for the month of September. Hopefully we have some awesome stuff, awesome messages for you. Let's see. This is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising. So you could check those videos as well. Messages could resonate. Also, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you. So keep whatever resonates, and sorry, one card I need to pick. So keep whatever resonates, and you can send back those messages back to the universe which doesn't resonate with you. So let's start, Aries. Just one more shuffle because one card popped out. August seemed to be a good month for Aries career wise. Six of Swords. So moving, so traveling, this is what I get. Some of you may be moving locations for job, for business or a new job situation here. It could also be regarding expansion of your business. You are trying to get your business to other places. Also talks about taking the sea route. Some of you traveling, this for very few of you, but basically talking about travel, going and meeting people, meeting your associates, meeting partners for expansion and growth. So you are going towards the calmer water. New job, people could relocate. This is what I get here. There could be some relocations too, because there's a baggage with which you are moving. You can see this is the swords. They are moving, so you are moving with some baggage. So maybe you have left a job and you are moving towards a new job here. With this card, let me see the clarification card, what it is. The clarification card. Now, this is Three of Cups. This talks about moving for partnership, for meeting associates. See, that's what I told you. This is about business. This is about, mixing pleasure and business together. Having friends as your partners, associates, your boss. You could have a good time when you move, traveling. With Three of Cups, it's about enjoying with friends, having good time with friends. They could be your business partners, associates. And it talks about also celebration. There is some news that has come through. If somebody has got a good job or a partnership has come through, so you are celebrating it. So good card, Aries. I see here good progress at work. The card intuitively tells me that there is quite a good progress at work. Everything is going fine. Your focus is good. So there is a celebration of something, some news coming to you. Maybe it's also about money. So you move forward. You are traveling, and then there is celebration here. So let's see other cards. So Ace of Cups. So beginning of a new project. It's a beginning of a new project. It could be a beginning of a new job for some of you here, and it's going to be bringing you lot of happiness, lot of prosperity, lot of abundance. This is just the beginning, and definitely it's a very beautiful card to come. Overflowing emotions, satisfaction, overflowing emotions in a happy way. So you are going to really receive a piece of news or an idea, you might just get, which will bring you happiness, money, which will take you forward with growth, prosperity and success here. So let me see the clarification card for this. Oh, Pentacle card. So it's regarding a money situation. This is Page of Pentacle. It has Ace of Cups. Some of you are working towards money situation here basically, or also it could be this card is also of a scholar. So learning something new, you are trying to get new skills for you. So and this is going to help you in your success, in your prosperity, making money, abundance. So this is a card of the scholar too. Also this talks about you finding out the way to earn more money, an idea which has clicked. And of course this is really going to work great for you. So Page of Pentacle with Ace of Cups. Definitely I see here this is Capricorn, Virgo or Taurus here. Ace of Cups, Pisces, Cancer, or Pisces, Cancer here, and Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So these are the people who will be involved in this business with you here. Now let's see what else. With this Three of, I see a lot of collaboration happening also, and here with this Cups energy, you know, the people in medical field, care, human care, they are really going to do very well here, because Ace of Cups you get, definitely, you know, doctors, nurses, psychiatrists, they could also get international claim, they could get some rewards. Also artists, you know, or creative people will have a great time. Money wise also looks good for you, because you have the Page of Pentacle card. Now the third card. Okay, so this is Six of Cups here. Six of Cups, something from the past is coming back. It could be a partnership coming back. For some of you, a previous job could come to you, maybe, you know, in the past you worked for that company and you're going back to that company to work again. This is Six of Cups that I told. Yeah, you are going back, or, you know, you are your friend, an old friend from your past could be a collaborator, could be your new associate, could be a new collaborator, or it could be your new business partner, or could help you find a job, help you get an idea to earn more money. So definitely it's talking about you know, someone from the past, and you are going to mix business with pleasure again, because it talks about very friendly kind of you know, association. It's not about a very professional kind here. So it is like you will be mixing business and pleasure together. You will have good time together, and also business and will expand your job situation. You know, you will get help for job situation, or you might also get help for regarding your money situation here. But let me clarify this card, Six of Cups. Yeah, so I can see here, so it is Eight of Swords energy. So some of you, you know, who are into this Eight of Swords, a little stressful situation, which maybe you're a little overthinking also. So this partnership, this friend, this person from your past could help you with coming out of this Eight of Swords energy. This is the clarification card for that. What is it regarding? So those who are still going into this clarification, reach out to your friends, reach out to your old associates, reach out to your you know, partners. They are definitely going to, if it is a business situation, money situation, anything, they are really going to be of help to you. So here what I see, nice. Let me see what else for Aries here. What else for Aries in September? Wow, Nine of Cups, emotionally fulfilling. You'll be feeling happy, you'll be feeling confident, you'll be feeling joyful. You'll you'll party, you'll go out with your friends, you'll take care of yourself, you'll be looking good, you'll be looking smart. I mean, this is what I get with this card here. And you will be the blue-eyed boy at your office, or your, you know, even if you're going for an office party, conference, you know, so people will look up to you. And you will be at your charming best. I mean, even your confidence is high, because emotionally you are in a totally very confident and secure space. So this will reflect in your personality. So definitely, you know, Aries, September is a great month for most of you here. Let me check the clarification card. Wow, King of Wands. Now see, this could be an office romance for some of you. It could be an office romance for some of you, or maybe it could be related to your personal life. But I can say for some of you, there's an office romance which also makes it emotionally fulfilling. Also with King of Wands, it's about your ideas that you put into the money situation or the business situation. You know, a new idea, or you are the King of Wands who has worked, whose focus, whose vision has helped him reach here. So you know what to do, how to go about, and getting this by month end, you are going to feel this energy that it will get you rewards, it will get you awards, it will get you the acclaim, because you are the King of Wands here. You are very passionate about your work. You are very focused, and you are using everything that every skill that is required to be successful here. So King of Wands is, I feel, your energy here, and you're making things successfully, which is very, very emotionally fulfilling for you by the end of the September. So I feel your skills also will be at a new height. Everybody is really going to look up to you, look up to the way you have achieved your success. So Aries, this is beautiful. Now one more card I'm just gonna pull up and see. But overall, good work, Aries. I mean, with 8 of Swords a little, I feel that there could be, for some of you, there could be minor setbacks, because if I read the cards, separately, there could be very minor setbacks which could make you a little stressed out, but you will manage, because with that you have the 6 of Cups. It talks about, again, an emotional balance. So this is one more card. So just one more card I will pick up, Aries. Progress I see in all fronts, whether it is money, career, job, everything. So this is 2 of Rods. So you are in a position, you are waiting, because see, you get an Ace of Cups here, new ideas. So maybe you have certain plans and you have put it across to the other party, your other associate, your partner, or your company. So some of you are waiting for an answer from them, or you are looking at the resources, the different distance places that you're looking around yourself. Around means from a position that where you could expand your business, where you could take your business expansion, or it's basically talking about expansion. Is also talking about traveling here. It could be a national or an international destination. So let me clarify this. Okay, so it's about partnership. Yes, so you are waiting. This is the Lovers card, beautiful card. So whatever will work out, it will work out in your best interest here, Aries. You have the Lovers card, beautiful, I mean equal, very supporting kind of a partnership you will get. This is regarding a partnership and association. Even if it's a job, you're going to have a very good reputation and connection with your boss or your seniors or your subordinates. So it looks great. I feel the great month. So I'll just pull out an angel guidance card, Aries, and we'll see what regarding your money situation. Definitely you have Page of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and then you are working strongly on ideas which will get you money, some of you. Also with the Lovers card, it talks for promotion for some of you here. Those who are waiting a promotion will get something, either a small raise also in money, because when you get a Lovers card, it's a step up, with your position. So if you are waiting for something like this, definitely you have a promotion and a small raise. So this is it. Let me just pull up a angel guidance card which will help you go through the month smoothly. So we need, what is the guidance from the angel for Aries, so that they are successful in whatever plans and ideas. So take a leap of faith. This is your card. Take a leap of faith. Things are going to be success, will bring you success, abundance, prosperity, your financial situation. You'll have a strong financial foundation. So this is it. Now we have one more. Dragon. Discover your courage. So in case if you are feeling, oh, is it going to work? This idea is going to work, or maybe I should. So don't, take a leap of faith and courage. Both are saying the same things. I mean, it's almost like you get the courage, take a leap of faith, and things are gonna go your way, the way you wanted. So all the best, Aries. This is a good month for you, September. Thank you for taking your time out and watching this video. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you so much.